Most JavaScript developers misunderstand const. They think if I use const, my object can't change. But that's actually wrong. Imagine we have this object. Now I'll change the property. Let's set user.name to John, and we will console the user.name property to see what it will print. What do you think happens? Most beginners expect an error, but no errors happen. The output is John. So why did it still change? Because const does not mean immutable. Const only means you cannot reassign the variable. We reassign a value to the user object. Now JavaScript throws an error because you are not changing the object. You are replacing it completely. Think of it like this. When you buy a house, the location of your house is fixed. But you can still change the furniture inside the house. You can still add properties, update properties, delete properties. Like this. Adding new property city to user object and deleting the name. Const is like your location of your house is fixed, but you can make modification inside house as per your need. Now let's talk about Object.freeze. This is what actually makes an object protected. We'll go with our same example. Now I'll do Object.freeze and pass user to it. Now if I try user.name Alex and then I console it, the output is same. Why? Because Object.freeze prevents changing properties, adding new properties and deleting properties. So now you bought a house. The location of your house is fixed, plus the inside of your house is also fixed. You can't make any changes as per your need, right? So far you must be clear on the difference between const and Object.freeze, but there's one catch. It only freezes the top level. Nested objects can still change like this. There is a user with a profile and we're freezing the object user, and here we are changing the user.profile.ct. Karachi. Because freeze is shallow, not deep. Remember this simple rule. By using const, you can't reassign a variable. By using Object.freeze, you can't modify the object. But freeze only works at upper level and not work for nested properties. That one difference confuses thousands of JavaScript developers. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos related to JS. Thank you.